So ngayon, i-share naman natin yung isa sa mga sample problem na pin-prepare ko in elementary statistics and probability. So ang pinaka-main topic namin dito is formulation of hypothesis and errors in hypothesis testing. So ito is originally made na sample problem kasi one of the criteria is originality. So, here we go. The first quarter of surprise audit in Jollibee Foods Corporation happened last March 10, 2021. All products in the kitchen were passed on said audit except one product, which is the steamed rice. Although the auditor said that it passed the appropriate temperature of 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 rather, but he claims that the product was not having a standard portion of 150 grams. Even she tried to measure an average of 10 samples. So to test the claim, the manager on duty gets a random sample of 25 and weigh each serving. The mean mu and the standard deviation were assumed to be 160 and 8.8 respectively, with a significance level of 0.01. So first, we have to state our hypothesis. Then, second, we have to determine the critical values and we state our decision. So, di ba yung claim ng auditor is the product was not having a standard portion of 150 grams. So, it fall on our alternative hypothesis. So, kaya mu is not equals to 150 grams. So, syempre, yung ating null hypothesis will be mu is equals to 150 grams. So, since the MOD gets a random sample of 25 and weigh each of it, the mean mu and the standard deviation were assumed 160 and 8.8 respectively. So, ibig sabihin, yung assumed mu, assumed mean is 150. Then, yung sample mean, itong x bar is 160. Tapos, yung standard deviation naman natin is 8.8. Then, yung ating number of observation represents the lowercase n is 10 kasi 10 samples. So, obviously, two-tailed test siya. So, now, di ba kapag sinabi natin na, kapag meron tayong value ni SD or ni standard deviation, tapos yung ating value ng n is less than or equal to 25, gagamit tayo ng test statistic, which is yung t-test. T-test formula. Ito yung t-test formula natin. So, yung x bar is kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, siya yung sample mean. Then, minus the assumed mean divided by the standard deviation over square root of n. So, andyan na naman na, given na siya, substitute lang. So, we come up to 3.59. Ito yung, test statistics natin. Value niya, 3.59. So, meron tayong degrees of freedom, which is n minus 1. Diba yung n natin is 10 minus 1, 9. Using our alpha at 0.01. Diba 9 yung nakuha natin, tapos yung alpha natin is 0.01. So, meron tayong 3.250. Yun yung critical value natin. So, our critical values is positive, negative 3.250. Since yung ating test statistic is greater than or equal to our critical value, we have to reject our null hypothesis. So, ayun yung decision natin. Therefore, we have sufficient evidence to say that there is a significant difference between the means. So, ito nga pala yung graph niya. Ito yung rejected region. So, thank you. At kung nagustuhan mo ang ating video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching!